Hi, I want to tell you this morning why I'm so convinced that online tutoring works and could work for your son or daughter. A couple of years ago, when I wasn't so convinced, I was approached by a young Welsh physicist who wanted some help with sixth form physics. Well, I live in London, but I agreed because I wanted to try out the options and see what it was like. He never came back for another lesson, and I wasn't really surprised. But nagging doubts remained. Now, some time later, I'm totally convinced that online tutoring is fabulous. I have currently around 10 students. How do I know it works? They keep coming back, some of them for 2 hours a week. But there's something more important. My equivalent of spidey senses, what you might call my teachy senses, tells me that learning is afoot, as Principal Skinner might say. As I said, I am well and truly convinced now. Here's a quick look at one of the online classrooms that I've been using. There are lots of options.
So here's a screencast of the whiteboard. I've written some things on it beforehand, and the videos would appear in the bottom left, but obviously this isn't live. I'm just going to show you a couple of things that we can do. So here's me writing, and this appears on both screens in real time, so really useful. Next up is a bottle picture that I used in a discussion on Centre of Maths with the Year 10, and this is before we started talking about it. And this is after a few minutes of discussion. As you can see, we've clearly drawn on the picture, and this is an imaginary thought experiment in case any of you are wondering. So here's an example of a year 13 part of the curriculum, simple harmonic motion, and I've uploaded a couple of exam questions for the student to try. And here it is about 10 to 15 minutes later, after we've talked at length about the content and we've both written on this page, as you can see, in some detail. Great learning resource. So you can probably see I am totally convinced by online tutoring, but perhaps you're not. Why not get in touch with me and ask for a free trial session and then make your mind up after that? Thanks for watching.